Hi and welcome back. If it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha K. Mirembe and you're watching Atutaka Solutions. On this channel, we do tech, business and investment solutions, tips, and we share everything with love regardless of who you are and where you're coming from. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe Atutaka Solutions and turn on that bell notification so you'll be informed whenever I upload a new video, because apparently I don't have like a schedule like every day, every week, or every Wednesday, I don't like this lighting, but I don't know it's coming. Just enjoy. Shall get better. Shall get better. You all know that this is not my color, eh? I'm trying to leave it at, photography. No. Okay, we shall get better. Okay, this is what I want. Nenga, it's not coming. That one. That is me. Not that one. What's wrong with me? Okay, so today I'm just going to talk about something that actually it's an unpopular topic or an unpopular opinion. There is that channel, unpopular opinion, but yeah, like it is something that it's a little bit, everyone has their own view about it. Like, date, like, can you borrow? When like borrowing is, it looks so like, so it is so demonized. Like borrow, like, oh my, you can't borrow, like, oh my god, how would you ever borrow? Like borrowing, you make it look like it's so, but really everything comes with limitations, and you must be very, very aware of the terms. You must be very aware of what can come after you failing to pay an institution's money or someone's money. So I'm now going to share with you good reasons for borrowing money. Okay, now first of all, you can borrow money when you know that there's already an existing. You must borrow money. I'm going to give you reasons and when you can borrow. Okay, I think, okay, it's related, I don't know. Like when you have an existing business, you can borrow knowing there is an income. Don't borrow money when you don't know or you're not sure of an income stream. Don't. How many times have I said don't borrow when you know you don't have an income stream, a stable source of income? You're borrowing to go and buy a gift. Wrong reasons for borrowing money. You're going to go and buy a gift. You want to borrow to surprise your woman. You want to borrow to eat good. My dear, maintain what you have. Eat the way you think you're eating bad. Maintain there until you get a stable source. Okay, now you can borrow when, for example, you have a business that is ongoing and maybe there's something you want to add in. You want to add in some stock, or and you know that stock, there's market for it, ready market. Something in my eye, guys. Sorry, there's nothing in my eye, but I have issues sometimes with these eyes. I get some irritation sometimes. I don't want glasses. I don't want glasses. Okay, that was by the way. So please, you must borrow when you know that what you're going to put that money into has markets. If it's a business, maybe you're trading in something, or you're selling, let's say, something that moves, or maybe you have a hardware, you know that daily you make this money, daily you can make these sales, and you know that you can finance the loan or the borrowed money. Don't be there that you're borrowing by faith. my spirit brethren, spiritual brethren, you're borrowing by faith. God knows. Don't borrow now. You trust God before. But don't borrow when you know there is no source of income. Don't borrow to lend also. You're borrowing to lend, and you're not a company, you're not an institute of, an established institute like this, stable flow of profit and stuff like that. Don't. Okay, but you can borrow, like let's say you're importing, like you're importing your things, maybe over container, some things just pop up unexpectedly, and you need to redeem your goods. Yeah, you know that this money that you're borrowing is almost, it's nothing compared to excuse me, compared to the goods that you want to redeem. Maybe you want to do clearance somewhere and you were not prepared for that cost. It came in unexpectedly and stuff like that. You can't be that, oh, I can't borrow. Go and borrow, because you know you're going to sell the things and definitely get the profit out of it. Borrow for good reasons. Don't borrow to go and start a new business. Friends. Save to start a new business. Don't borrow to start a new business. I hope you get that difference of these two things. It's all business, yes. But there's one who is starting. There's one who has already been there. Who knows how much they can make in a year? Who knows how much they can make every month? Who knows how much you can make every day? Then now this one, you're borrowing that money, you're going to first parent of the premises. You're going to buy fixtures, you're going to buy this one, you're going to employ workers on that borrowed money. Nobody has assured you when the profit is going to start coming. Don't do that yourself. You're going to put yourself in unnecessary drama, unnecessary pressure, for free, for nothing. Pressure. If you want to start something new, my dear, save up. If you don't have yet, wait. Okay? Now, also, borrowing for school fees or tuition or something like that. Yeah? You can borrow. Again, we go back to the other point. When you know there's somewhere where you can be getting money to finance this loan, so you can borrow when you're going to clear, let's say, your goods or customs or something like that. You can borrow when you want to add in some stock in your already existing business, and you know already that the turnover is great. You know the turnover is good. It can bring the money to finance the loan. But whenever you're supposed to finance, whether monthly or weekly, it depends on the terms and conditions of the loan or the person who borrowed. Sometimes it's just an individual, like you can go to your friend or someone and be like, you know what, I want to do this. Whether they expect you to sign or to do what agreement, or they need a guarantor or something like that, it doesn't necessarily have to be like you're going to go to a bank. Sometimes you don't have the collateral security and stuff like that. Now you have your person there, someone who is like, who can accept you give them something, or like a security, a small thing, and yeah, they give you the money, so it's okay, you can go and do what you want. But you have to manage and do what, and also make sure the borrowed money does what it was intended for. Don't change your mind in the middle. Actually, borrowed this money to pay school fees for this semester, but actually, let me first start here this car business, then it will be bringing money. Don't do that. Stick to the point. Stick to the reason why you borrowed this money in the beginning. So borrowing is not bad, but there must be things to put in order. Okay? Don't borrow beyond what you can earn. If the borrowed money you have to pay $50 every month, and you can hardly get $20 or $30 every month, please don't. First way. Balabalamu. Okay? Tangaza. Very good. Open your eyes very well. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.